Okay, so the disassembly of JINHAO 992 for cleaning and maintenance. First, uncap the pen and the barrel section from the pen. Pose the cap on the barrel and keep it aside. Now take the converter out. As you can see, there's a metal part on the back of the converter. All you have to do is just gently pull it from the converter, just like this. It will come apart. But if your pen if your pen converter in the pen does not come apart, what you can do is you just take these grippers from any tire puncture shop and cut it in half for into two pieces, because sometimes what will happen, what you need to do is you just have to hold the converter like this with on the one end with the gripper and on the other end with another gripper and on the metal band. All you have to do is just simply pull it. Don't yank it with all your forces, just simply pull it and then metal part will come out like this. Then keep the this grippers aside, keep the metal band aside, and now in this is the piston of the converter. Now if you can see over here, this is the two part of the converter. All you have to do is just wiggle it back and forth like this, just like this. Don't don't pull or yank it with all the forces. Just pull it, just wiggle it back and forth until it will comes apart like this. Now you can clean the plunger of this converter, and if you want, you can if there is any ink stains inside of the converter barrel, all you have to do is take a q-tip like this, or earbud, or cotton swab, whatever you may call, and just clean inside of this barrel like this, with obviously with clean water, and then start constructing the pen again assemble the converter, just like the way. What I generally do is I put the piston halfway into the piston knob like this and keep it halfway outside, and the halfway outside will go inside of the barrel, and just simply gently just push it. You will hear a click. Just let me show you. Just this click and your converter is almost assembled. Now all you have to do is you just have to take this metal band and see which way it will go in. One way it won't go and the other way it will, so just look for it which way it will go in, and your converter is now clean. Now comes to the pen section and the nib. One thing about JINHAO fountain pens is that many JINHAO fountain pens comes with a individual nib housing. What is an individual nib housing? I will show you and how to clean it and how to take it out. You just have to simply just place your nib onto the index finger like this and hold your feet with your thumb and twist the section like this. Don't twist the feet and the nib, twist the section like this and it will come out. And this is the nib housing of this fountain pen. You can also further disassemble this. Just simply hold the nib with the shoulders with your in between your index finger and thumb like this, and just simply pull it. Don't yank it, just simply gently pull it and it will come out of the housing. And you can just clean the feet and the nib with clear water, and then again after cleaning the nib and the feet with in clear water, just hold your nib and feet like this. One thing you have to notice, that you have to align the nib and the feet in such a way that the feet shoulders and the nib shoulders are perfectly aligned with each other. Then all you have to do is hold the nib and the feet in between your index finger over here, and hold the feet in with your thumb. And then if you can notice over here, there is a JINHAO Chariot logo. There is a JINHAO Chariot logo over here engraved on the nib housing, and this is the thread which threads into the section. And over here, if you can notice, if I can show you properly, there's a nib, there's a cutout on top of the JINHAO Chariot logo, where the nib will go in. The other way around, the nib and the section won't go inside. So there is only one way for the nib and the feet to go in. So hold your nib and the feed. After aligning your feed with the nib, you just hold it in between your index and thumb finger and put the nib inside of this housing like this into that notch, and then again hold the nib and feed up like this, and just simply twist the section into it. Now again, don't twist the nib and the feed with your right hand, just simply twist the section, and when you see that the section has stopped threading, just simply leave it. And now you just put the converter inside of this fountain pen, and your cap and barrel is in one place. Just screw the barrel in and the cap in, and there it goes. Your fountain pen is completely clean for your next inking, or for if you want to rotate your fountain pen, if you have multiple fountain pens, that is now this one is now clean and you can use other fountain pens. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.